This is Noah's Kingdom, and we have these two kittens, Eddie and Betty, available for adoption together. Aren't they adorable? They're a bonded pair of kittens, and they can be yours, Eddie and Betty. And here we have, if you want to look at the shelter, I don't know, maybe I haven't showed you the shelter. We always need things if you're looking for maybe making a donation of something other than a financial contribution. Yeah, we need cleaning supplies all the time, and these are some of the bowls and some of the kitty litters down there, and some of the adoptions. Callie, Cinder, Molly, Nally, Zena, and a note here that says, to all our volunteers, we want to thank you for taking such good care of us while we were waiting for our forever homes. All the treats, toys, games, and cuddles were extra special. We love you. All the Noah's Kingdom cats and kittens. What we do here at Noah's Kingdom, we do because we want to, because we feel we're making the world a better place. I started volunteering because I love cats. And maybe what I wasn't exactly prepared for is knowing that not only was I helping the cats and kittens, like sweet Fuji here, but that we were helping people. We were helping families perhaps heal from the loss of a cat. We were helping maybe a young family adopt their very first cat. Maybe we were helping a child learn to care for another living creature by having a pet in their family. So not only did we help the cats, but the cats helped us. And the cats helped us volunteers here at Noah's Kingdom form some friendships that go beyond friendships. We are like family here at Noah's Kingdom. We're dedicated, we're devoted, we value each and every person who has interacted with us in one way or the other in the many years we've been here at Crossgates Commons. 29 years, I believe it is. My husband and I here, we've been volunteering 22 years. It means the world to us to give back, to help, to have a positive impact on this world which so sorely needs volunteers and goodness and light and love. So thank you for being a part of our success and our continued success. We will always care for kitties and kittens and for people. Thank you for being part of our success story. These kitties mean so much to us, and the stories and the friends that we make. It's a beautiful thing. We have a beautiful community of animal lovers here, and Noah's Kingdom is such a wonderful organization. We invite you to become a volunteer or a foster. We can use the help, we can use the support, we can use the love and the friendship. When the day is over, we know that we've done some good, that we've made a difference. That means something. Live a good life. Let good things come to you. We thank you for watching this video. And from endings come beginnings, and beginnings give us endings. And we hope that we will be having an adoption here for cute 3-year-old Fuji. Right, Fuji? And over here for our bonded kittens, Eddie and Betty. And we do have more kittens and cats coming. And we will forever, forever have our motto here at Noah's Kingdom. To rescue, to rehabilitate, to give loving homes to kitties like Fuji. It's so important that we do so, and that we continue to do so. Right, Fuji? Yes. If you've watched our videos over the last 20 years, oh, it's not often that I am at a loss for words, but I'm just soaking in this moment with Fuji and with the other two kittens here and with some of the other volunteers that I was just with. It's nice to get together and to feel that we're making a difference in the world. Kindness towards all creatures, great and small. That is Noah's Kingdom Humane Society's motto. Kindness towards all creatures, great and small. Thank you.